is when does this end?
Yeah, Gio. Well, the good news is for the Mississippi Valley, it's finally ending. This stalled front is going to begin to move. Rain right now continuing to fall, though, for parts of northern Mississippi. We're not out of the wood yet. Remember, even when it stops raining, we still experience flooding as those bankments continue to overflow. Flash flood warning for parts of Nashville. Memphis receiving their wettest day in April on record just yesterday. Tornado watches in central Alabama. Here's a look at where the rain is headed next. We do have a concern for flooding in central Alabama between Birmingham and Montgomery, 3 to 5+ inches, level 3 out of 4 when it comes to excessive rainfall. And then there's that threat for severe weather. Severe weather riding through the south as we head through the next 2 days. Today along I-20 and I-10 in Florida, Alabama, and parts of western Georgia. Tomorrow, kicking off the work week in cities like Savannah, Tallahassee. It's there where we could see damaging winds and maybe even a few tornadoes. Janae?
Tomorrow we'll be watching that. Now to unrest happening in the south.
Yes, and I know the big question, as you asked, is when will it end? But another question is what's coming after that, right? So we're going to see this stall front kick off, move off the eastern seaboard by Monday night, really pushing out of here. But notice what comes next. 30-year-old daily record receiving 1 to 2 inches of snow. This is Cedillo Hill in New Mexico there. We have freeze alerts in place in parts of the country, and this is during growing season. So this cold air really sneaking up and taking full effect this morning. If you take a look at the temperatures in the coming days, my goodness, get ready for this turn. New York City, 33 degrees walking out of your door Wednesday morning. Chicago down to the 20s below freezing. Even places like Atlanta pretty chilly Wednesday morning with temperatures in the low 40s. Memphis also in the low 40s after receiving their wettest day on record in the month of April. So get ready for that chill after this rain moves out. That's a look at the forecast across the country. Let's see what's going on in your neighborhood. And that's a look at your local forecast. Whit, you asked for spring weather.
And you
I
gave
could
me
not
33
deliver.
degrees.
I know.
I heard that.
I just wanted to apologize.
Okay, all right. You're forgiven. Yes, I appreciate that. Not packing up the winter coats just yet. All right, I know what will heat things up here. March Madness, it is at a fever pitch right now. Thrilling games overnight to set up the men's college basketball championships, while the women's title game is just hours away. ABC's Faith Abube.
Hey, Smart.
Hey, good morning. All right, so take a look at this. Record highs possible in Jacksonville. 90 degrees today, 91. And it's not just the south, but our friends out west. We're starting to see some record heat developing out there as well. Palm Springs in the triple digits by Thursday, flirting with 100 in Phoenix on Friday at 99, in the low 90s in Vegas. That's a look at the forecast across the country. Let's see what's going on a little closer to home.
Thanks for starting your day with us, Gio. You're excited about next weekend.
That's right. I'll be joining you from D.C. from the National Cherry Blossoms Parade. I'm going to be co-hosting that parade. Check this out.
You got some stuff for us.
Yeah, I got you some stuff. How about that for your girl?
Yeah.
And the hat you got. A schmedium shirt for you.
Oh, yeah.
And how about this?
Sun's up, guns
You
out.
keep us chilly. So there you go. Bye, everybody. Hope to see you next week and tomorrow morning on GMA.